Good evening, I'm Cassandra. We start with breakthroughs in healthcare AI. Today, Cleveland Clinic announced a strategic collaboration with AI platform AKASA to revolutionize revenue cycle operations. The partnership aims to deploy autonomous coding tools, tackling complex patient cases and enhancing accuracy in clinical documentation. This technology could streamline reimbursement processes and reduce administrative burdens for healthcare providers.
Thanks, Cassandra. The collaboration focuses on autonomous coding, which assists medical coders by analyzing clinical data to assign accurate codes reflecting patient risk and care complexity. AKASA's health system-specific AI learns from real-world documentation practices, making it ideal for high-acuity cases at Cleveland Clinic. Executives emphasize this could improve efficiency while maintaining high clinical quality scores, critical as hospitals face increased scrutiny over care evaluations.
Meptime.io is a new community-based video sharing platform where creators can upload their videos and gain exposure online. In addition to this, users can interact and collaborate with each other via our private messaging system. You can also request to become a paid channel and earn monthly subscription revenue from our users. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and grow your fan base by sharing your amazing videos.
Next, AI's impact on the oil and gas sector is reaching new heights. Research projects the AI in oil and gas market will grow from $3.54 billion in 2025 to $6.4 billion by 2030, driven by predictive maintenance tools that reduce equipment downtime.
That's right, Cassandra. Predictive maintenance is reshaping asset management. For example, C3 AI's partnership with Shell integrates AI software to preempt equipment failures, optimizing maintenance schedules. These advancements aren't just about efficiency. They also align with industry goals to cut emissions and improve sustainability. Companies leveraging AI can process sensor data in real time, enabling smarter decisions across drilling, production, and environmental monitoring.
These developments highlight AI's versatility. In healthcare, tools like AKASA's aim to balance operational efficiency with patient care quality. In energy, predictive maintenance isn't just a cost saver, it's a sustainability driver. As industries adapt, partnerships between innovators and legacy organizations will be key to scaling AI solutions responsibly. Stay tuned tomorrow for updates on AI's role in education following a new federal directive. Thank you, and good night.